You would never believe the problem I had with this mixer. This is where the problem was. As the drum rotated, every time the cog hit this crack, it made this clunking sound. When I first inspected the drum, this is what I noticed, this fine hairline crack on the cog. But after a few seconds of it working, it became a big crack, and I knew this was a big problem. So I contacted Lazada. I spoke to the people who I ordered it from, explained the problem, and that I wanted either a new mixer or a new spare part. So Blunt Top is the company that I ordered it from. They tried to offer me a discount to start with, but I refused to accept it because I knew that after a matter of time the mixer would be useless. So they promised to send me a spare part within 30 days, and I agreed that I would wait 30 days for my new spare part, which had to come from China. Well, it's the 8th of February 2026. This was the damaged part, but the new part finally arrived. It came unpainted, so I had to paint it black, but there we have it. The new piece is on. So what I'll do now is put the electric motor back on, and I will use it today to start the mix for working on these blocks. Gonna lay these coarse there, then lay some flat for the base of the drawers. So that's my job for today. I'll speak to you later. So this is where I got to by the end of the day, all mixed with that mixer. So after the replacement part, it did exactly what it's supposed to do. I've cleaned it out and it's ready to go again. It had a rough start, but once it was fixed, it definitely earned its place on site.